Welcome, today in front of me Poco X4 GT, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here scroll a little bit down and now you'll see here the silent mode switcher. Just to activate silent mode, click here once on the switcher, and to turn it off, click on the switcher once again. Also, if you want, you can silence media in silent mode by the same way, just by click on the switcher. And also we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button and you'll see here this bell icon. Click once to activate silent mode, and to turn it off, click on this bell icon again. On the third one, just click on the three dots here. To turn on or turn off silent mode, click on this bell icon. And also we can do it just one more way, just by slide to the down this volume panel. Now we can see that the silent mode is on, and to turn it off, slide to the up this volume panel. And just one more way how we can do that, just open notification panel, and here somewhere you should find the mode icon. Just to activate silent mode, click once on this mode icon, and to turn it off, click on this icon again. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.